what I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce to you some sentence stems to help us when we discuss with our partners about the answers to our question. So first and foremost, if I go to question number 1, I'm going to answer it by myself, and I want you to answer it. And then we're going to model, we're going to see how we can use these sentence stems to help us when we discuss our answer. So go ahead and answer question number 1 by yourself. I'm going to answer it, and then we'll talk. Okay. So now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have partner number 1 will be Andrew, and partner number 1 will be Ileana. Partner number 2 will be Amrita. Partner number 2 will be Caroline. Okay? So, partner number 1 is going to go first. They're going to say their answer, and they are going to tell why they chose that answer. Partner number 2, you're going to use the sentence stem, either I agree with you, and tell your partner why you agree with them, or you may say, I disagree with you. And you're going to say because, and you're going to give your reason. Okay? The next step, if you see there's another question in part 1, that is my evidence. If you're partner 1, you're going to state your evidence to prove. Partner number 2, you may say, where is your evidence to support your answer? So you want to prove to them, and to show, 1, that you're listening, as well as does your partner know where to find the information to answer the question correctly. Okay? So partner number 1 first, defend your answer. Tell them what answer you chose and why.
I chose that they might have found fossils where fossil organ is.
Well, it says, I disagree with you because I think it's D because it was named after early settlers or famous person. This was named after early settler because in the beginning I saw that it says settlers and I knew that they were early settlers, so I thought it was D.
I saw that the settle after discoveries or events that takes there.
Okay, so in the evidence, if I go back to the text, Amrita says up here, her keyword was the word settlers. Where's your evidence?
It's right here.
He's looking down here. So we said one of our nonfiction features was our bold words, right? So now we've got to really look at our bold words and see what they mean. So other places, what do you notice about the key words under the cities for other places? Such as Rome.
It was like named after other places in the world.
Right, because Rome comes after Rome, Italy. What about London? London, Connecticut. Are there other places around the world called London? Yes. So these 2 would be examples of places. Now this one's tricky. Big word. Geographical features. What do you notice about Lakeland and Pinetop?
They're actually things.
They are. So what do you think geographical, that word means?
Real?
The type of land, the geography of the land. So there's lakes.
Yes.
And what evidence will we use?
There was no early settler fossil.
But how are we going to prove that a fossil, the answer is C?
Because the fossil was like a discovery.
Exactly. So we're going to write, I know, or it states, use the evidence. I know it is a discovery because, what did you say, Andrew?
Because a fossil, because a fossil is a discovery.
Perfect. you're gonna go and you're gonna answer questions 2, 3, 4, and 5 by yourself. Then you're gonna get together with your partner and you're gonna use these sentence stems. You're gonna say, I agree with you, let your partner, whoever partner 1 go first, or partner 2 can go first. All right, so during reading, I have started to implement some more collaborative groups. And one way is to use the sentence stems for discussion of agreeing with their partner or disagreeing, as well as using evidence. So we practice it at my table, and they talk with their partners, and then I send them off and to do it independently and talk with their neighbor to check their answers. Then they come and they'll just put their work on the side when they're finished so that I can call another group. And I can hopefully use my time to meet with more children during that time span than just staying with that group the entire time.